on Wednesday at the Monroe County Courthouse. Testimony concluded in the first-degree murder trial of 66-year-old Lyle Miller of Madison, Missouri. After the first day of testimony saw 6 witnesses approach the stand in regards to the investigation of Betty Hayes' disappearance and death. Yesterday, the jury heard 6 more witnesses to talk about the discovery of the body, as well as the cause of death of the 88-year-old woman from Holiday, Missouri. The first witness to take the stand Wednesday was Missouri State Highway Patrol criminal investigator Lane Quinn, who investigated the property of Lyle Miller and showed the 9-gauge wire and cinder block that was tied to Hayes' remains. He said he was told to call Rick Gunyer on July 26th of 2023, in which Gunyer said he was told by John Moyer that Miller admitted to killing Betty Hayes. Quinn admitted to saying that pieces of evidence collected from Miller's house had connection from Miller to Hayes. Rick Gunyer, a neighbor of Miller and John Moyer, also took the stand. He stated Moyer had told him about what Miller had revealed to him and told Moyer to go to the police, in which he refused. He said if Moyer did not, then he would. Gunyer said he knew of Moyer's reputation around town, with him having a history of exaggeration and lying. Dr. Keith Newton, the doctor who performed the autopsy on the body of Hayes, took the stand, stating that he noticed a defect that ran from the middle of the neck to the lower right ear of Hayes, with him stating the cause of death to Hayes was a sharp instrument wound to the neck, ruling it as a homicide. He also stated in cross-examination about fractures to Hayes' ribs that were consistent with a struggle. Among other witnesses included Adam Smith with the Missouri State Highway Patrol dive team, who was a part of the team that recovered Hayes' body, finding her in 9 feet of water with 0 disability. The defense also called John Ragsdale, who said had seen Lyle Miller the night of December 16th, 2021. He testified he was there to sell him marijuana. He said he noticed no cuts, bruises, or blood on Miller at the time when they met at Rocky Hollow, 3 miles east of Holiday. With these witnesses, both the defense and prosecution rested their cases. The trial is set to resume later this morning at 9 a.m. with closing statements as well as a possible verdict. We'll continue to provide updates as this case continues.